Guys, the New Year holidays, from which me and Timon are already tired doing nothing, seem to have ended. On this today we decided to do Timon. Timon? Come on, man. We decided to do something unusual and interesting. So I took off my vacuum chamber out of the box and borrowed such a small quad from my nephew. But let's do all from the very beginning. Once I did an experiment with sound in vacuum. Then I was not heard inside the vacuum chamber when I even shouted outside. But when I put the source of the sound in the vacuum chamber, the camera, which also was there, recorded the sound, although there was no sound from the outside. Looks like I did not show you this video. Okay, remind me later and I'll upload it for you maybe next week. Now I want to check whether it is possible to fly in a vacuum chamber, since the fly from the past video could fly. Today I will try this tiny quad drone forced to fly in a vacuum. Let's check if it works. It seems to work, but we need a pilot. Okay, let's start. Putting this tiny drone in the vacuum chamber and beginning to pump out the air. As you can see, as long as the air is not completely drained, it flies. But when there is no air in the chamber, it can't even take off. Since there is nothing to catch on for the blades, just like with real helicopters, which can't fly so high because of the same reason. It's strange that a fly could fly in a vacuum and this quad couldn't. Do you know why? When there will be summer and flies, it will be necessary to repeat this experiment, both with quad and a fly. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.